Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my finished jewelry for Dollar Bead Box for February 2024. I have a coupon code for Dollar Bead Box. It's BN Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave that in the description along with the link to the Dollar Bead Box as well. And without further ado, let me show you what I made. So I started out, I only had one tutorial this month. So I used the check glass 2-hole flat silky bronze green beads, and they're almost kind of like, if I lay them against the white you can see them better, they're kind of almost like a star. And then I used just a few of my 11-0 turquoise beads, and I used their the fire polish beads, the 3mm in there. I did the caramel colored ones, and then the other ones as well. So I made these, and then I just put some antique brass copper ear wires on them. I thought these turned out really pretty. So I have those. Then I did these as just a straight dangle earring. This is mixed metal. I have some gold and some silver on these. And I used the let me see what I got here. Check glass center hold, the triangle beads. I use those right here. And then the melon beads. So these are so pretty. And then I use some of my 11-0 gold Miyuki seed beads as well. And then some of my rectangular, or some of my square silver spacers. I use them kind of, you know, like when I make jewelry, I'll just put them in for a pop of metal, the color. And then I have some 4mm fire polish beads in there as well. So I love the way these turned out. Then I did have a tutorial on how I made this beautiful charm bracelet. Let me open it up, you can see. So I used the olive colored beads, and then I used some of my own, these little, see in this, they're just, they just look like jump rings, but they've got some texture on them. And then I used one of my toggle clasps I had with this really pretty heart on it, and then I just had this big antique brass ring. So I did that, and then I made these little dangles. I'll leave a link below in the description on for the tutorial for this. And then I made these earrings. These are kind of like using the check glass 2-hole flat silky beads, and then I used I think those are 4mm fire polish, and then I used these little pink metallic 11-0 seed beads. I thought the pink would look cool. It's got a different color, you know, pattern to it than, you know, most of the jewelry, but I just thought the pink would be kind of cool as an offset to the green. And then, let me see here. I did, let me see if you could see those. I took these seed beads, the royal blue, real tiny, the 11 O's, and I kind of did a pattern with the gold 11 O's. And first I put those on there, and then I kind of wrapped around the gold, and then I put the blue in between. And that's the back of it. And I love the way the colors popped with this. I thought the blue was kind of cool. You know, it's like you have that caramel color, the green, the olive green, then the gold and the blue. And then what I did was I used black ear wires. I thought those would be kind of, you know, I thought they'd give it, they kind of wouldn't, like if I was to use gold, I thought that the gold ear wires would kind of stand out and take away from the earring. So having the black, it's almost like they're disappearing, you know, having those like that. So yeah, I thought these were really pretty. I had a lot of fun with this month's box. And then this is my last tutorial, my latest tutorial, and I called this Not Your Mama's Necklace. Because I was just looking at it and I'm like, it was just kind of a little different. Let me move these. I just thought it was a funny name. So it has, I'll leave a link below to this tutorial. So it has some of the antique brass chain that I have. And then I used the check glass 2-hole flat silky beads just to combine the 2 wires together and kind of make a cool pattern. And then I used the 2 gorgeous, what were these? Check glass drucks. Yeah, these are the check glass drucks. They're so pretty. So I just kind of did them as like a standout bead on this necklace. And then I used some of the melon beads and the antique brass bead caps. And then I used the antique brass toggle clasp that they gave us. So I have, yeah, and I'll have a picture of it on a bust. And like I said, I'll leave a link below to this full tutorial and a link to this tutorial because this was a lot of fun to make. I have these, I have these. I was gonna hang some stuff from here and then I thought, no, because I wanted it to just kind of be streamlined. You know, I want it to stay straight, so when it's laying on the bust or on your neck, it's just lays flat, you know. So I think if I would have hung something at the bottom, it might have turned out to be too much. So yeah, so then I have these. And I have these. And like I said, I used my seed beads, some of my seed beads, because I love me some seed beads. And then I get this, and then these 2. So yeah, so this is all my finished jewelry for the February 2024 dollar bead box. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I will leave a link to Not Your Mama's Necklace tutorial and the charm bracelet tutorial. And like I said, Be in Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first order with dollar bead box. I will leave links below to that as well, along with all of my social media and my Etsy store. I do put some of my jewelry up there for sale, so I will leave all that up there. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so because it really helps my algorithms, along with liking it and making comments on my jewelry as well. I really appreciate each and every one of you that watch my my videos, and I hope you'll stay tuned because we have lots more to come. So with that, I will just say you guys have a good day, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.